Pay-per-click and search engine optimization certainly aren't the only ways to get visitors to your site. In this lesson, we will show you how to get traffic to your website using alternative methods. Successful affiliates usually make a point of diversifying their traffic sources. Relying too heavily on any one source of traffic leaves your business vulnerable to the whims of the search engines or to dramatic shifts in pay-per-click costs. If you've got all of your eggs in one basket, when it comes to getting traffic to your site, you could find yourself in trouble when the situation turns sour. Additionally, by just restricting yourself to SEO or PPC methods, you could be missing out on a large amount of potential traffic. With that in mind, here are some great ways to mix things up a bit. Links from other sites. Getting links to your site is a hugely important part of being a successful affiliate. Not only do they deliver a little bit of traffic to your site independently of the search engines, they also help your search engine rankings. Even though linking is a huge part of search engine optimization, try not to think about links purely in terms of the SEO benefit they deliver. You may be able to get links from sites that rank low on PageRank or use nofollow tags to block the flow of PageRank, but which deliver a lot of high-quality traffic to your site. Always remember that the point of SEO is to get visitors to your site, and that any link that delivers traffic to your site is actually achieving that goal, regardless of whether it helps you move up the search engines. Posting on forums and blogs. Forums and blogs can be excellent places to promote your website, provided the promotion remains subtle and is part of other useful content that you've added to the conversation. If you simply bombard a random forum with your URLs, you're likely to be banned. And similarly, if you post pointless comments as badly disguised self-promotion, your posts are likely to be deleted. The best method is to find a few high-traffic blogs and forums in your market and spend some time there reading and familiarizing yourself with the discussions. Start replying to posts with useful remarks so that you gradually build a reputation as a genuine and helpful contributor. And once you've established yourself as a valuable member, like the member in this example from our own forums, people will be much more interested in seeing what else you have to say on your own website, or in checking out the products you recommend in your signature. As already mentioned, don't dismiss forums and blogs simply because a link from them won't help your SEO. Remember that it's traffic you're after, and if traffic comes from these blogs or forums, then that's a successful promotion. Alright, in this lesson you've learned pay-per-click and search engine optimization aren't the only ways to get traffic to your website. In fact, by simply using just those methods, you could be missing out on a large amount of traffic and potential customers. Alternative methods for getting traffic to your site could include links from other sites. Try not to think of links being purely about SEO. Getting links from other websites can get more traffic as people follow those links. Traffic is traffic, regardless of the impact on your search engine ranking. There's posting on blogs and forums. Post subtle promotions in your forum and blog posts, and become an active and respected member of popular forums and blogs. Once you're a valuable member in a forum and a blog, people will be more likely to follow the links that you post. Finally, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you again soon.